And this one's coming to an end too. A lot of people have ordered this the last couple of weeks and realized what was going on. They already pre-bought this one before I even got to it. That's a Buck Creek. I mean, I was selling Buck Creek knives my first job when I was 18. So 18 years old selling knives. Mirror polished blade from Buck Creek and a leather sheath, silverwood. Another one of those old Buck Creek frames. They made it look good, but it's made to use. At $24.95. If you receive nothing else in that Buck Creek, I'd be just as excited. That's a special item at a special price. However, under this item number, we're going to give you the block sharpener. To put all of that into perspective, we sell it at $14.99, the block sharpener. Paul Block sells them for $24.95. So you have basically $10 in the Buck Creek. I mean, my gosh.
What a deal.
I can't believe it. You know, Frost is all